That is 20,000 miles on a FLHX 103 with 103 cubic inches on a twin cam V-twin. This thing is absolutely beautiful, deck to the nine, and some fancy chrome here. Even the heat shield is fancy. Yeah, some of the covers. Really cool machined out stripes. And a 212 Vance & Hines exhaust with a upgraded air intake, making the stage 1 upgrade. Hard saddlebags. See here the impressive quality added even on top of this spectacular piece of art, and a beautiful red Sunglo. Brembo brakes, dual Brembo brakes in the front. Standard wheels, still with the beautiful chrome up here. ABS line, lower fairing, Batwing fairing, and again the beautiful detail even on the headlight case. Halogen headlights. We have Harley-Davidson grips, floorboards. The pegs been switched out, the shifter pegs, and the shifter line, derby cover, and the transmission case here is blacked out. Interesting choice. 2-up seat, backrest for both the driver and the passenger, CC bar, and tour rack. Being a 2012, it is the slightly more complicated way to open these things. Saddlebags. It does come with a security system. 2 fobs, 2 keys. There we go. Not too difficult. Not too difficult. Battery tender. Even the, nice. I didn't see these before. Even the cover for the audio is great. The speakers are enhanced. Both sides. We have voltage, oil, air, temperature, fuel gauge, speedometer, tachometer on the inner fairing, and the CD player and radio. Standard on the 2012. Cable clutch, 4 clocks, gas cap lock. That just about explains it. 6-speed transmission, Vance & Hines exhaust. I'll go close in on that one. Sounds real nice. Breathing just fine. Come on down. The only way you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about is with a test ride today. Thank you for watching. Please like the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below on what you would do with this, where you would store it when it snows, and where you would go below. Thank you so much. Have a good one.